Go ahead. Eat it. Go ahead. Eat it. Take a bite.
How will I hold it?
You pick it up. You're good. You do it, sissy. It's nummy. Go ahead. Eat it.
Eat. Eat octopus eyes.
Yeah. Pick it up. Yeah, yummy.
You want to so sissy?
You eat it.
Me?
Sissy. She says, I'll drink. Oh. That's what I do. Go ahead, sissy. Go ahead. You spit it all out?
Spit it.
Yeah. Bubba, bite the cookie. No, like on the side. See? They're 2 cookies.
What cookies?
See? They're 2 chocolate chip cookies. Pick up and bite the cookies. Go ahead, Rue. Here you go. Here. You can hold it. This is silly. You turning blue?
Yeah.
Is Sissy turning orange?
Blue.
Keep eating. Can you pull the cookie apart?
Okay. No. It's just eat.
Oh, okay. Should we pull Sissy's cookie apart?
Okay. Why you cut it? What? A little bite. She said a little bite.
See, Sissy? Go. Ah.
Those are cookies good.
Mm-hmm.
Those are cookies good.
Oh, you gonna stick your foot in it? Bubba, do you want yours in half?
Yeah.
You want to put your foot in it? You silly. There. Can you hold it, Sissy?
Wow, that big bite. That big bite.
I don't know if that's really that big, buddy.
That's a really big one.
Let's see if she'll put it in her hand. Here, hold it. No?
Just you?
What if I put it on you? Oh, it fell over. There. She'll take it off, or now it slid it off. Hey, Bubba. Hey, Bubba.
Huh?
Hey, Bubba. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe.
It's on my nose.
It is on your nose. You look funny. You look cute. Show Sissy. You see your nose in the cookie? Just, you want to try your face? Mm-mm. You're just gonna leave it there? Bubba, help Sissy. Don't put your foot in it. Help Sissy. Take a drink of your milk, buddy.
Okay.
Num 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 num. Num num num. Is that good?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Sissy, do you want the cookie? Cookie? Here. Oh, kind of falls apart, doesn't it? Oh, look at that. Ow! Oh my goodness.
You cut a piece out of that?
You want me to break it for you too?
Yeah.
Okay. There, take it. Take it. Ah, don't bite my finger. Well, now look, I got all that frosting. What did you stick me with? What am I supposed to do with all that frosting? What am I supposed to do with that? There. Thank you. Can you say sugar?
Sugar.
Mm-hmm. Are you being silly? Get your foot out of it. Thank heavens you're going straight in the tub, huh? Is that good stuff?
Look.
Yeah.
We got my toes.
You do got your toes.
And there's saucy on my toes.
Yes, there is frosting. Mommy is going to have one heck of a mess to clean up. First things first, you two in the tub.
What?
Oh, did you get, Sissy got the eyeballs. Is that good? Is that fishy? Is it ucky?
That's fishy. Ah, Sissy, knock it down.
Are you all done?
No.
No. Oh, stay on your tushy, please. Thank you. Roxana,
Oh, it's my hands.
can you blow kisses?
Cheese.
Jeez.
Cheese.
Jeez. Sissy, look at the camera when you say jeez. Okay, how about you give your sissy a big kiss? Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss.
Uh-oh. I have frosting.
Yeah, give her a kiss on the nose.
Not his.
You're going to get frosting in her hair. Ah! Is Bubba silly? Okay, I think she got her. I think you got it. Ew, brother goodies, huh? Okay. Alrighty. There. I love you, Bubba and Sissy. Mwah, mwah. Blow kisses. Can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Tell us wave bye-bye. You wave bye-bye. I know. She's got chocolate eyeball over her leg. Mommy's going to scrub both of you in a minute. I think sugar's hit your streamline, buddy.
Huh?
I think the sugar has gotten to you. Bye-bye. Talus, wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Quit licking and wave bye-bye, Talus.
Bye, bye, bye.